In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add synth in BandLab. Start by opening your browser and going to bandlab.com. When the homepage appears, click Login at the top. Use the sign-in method you're comfortable with. In this walkthrough, I'll choose the Google option. Select your Google account and then click Continue. After a quick redirect, you'll be signed in to BandLab. Next, head to your library. This is where your projects are stored. Find the project you want to work on and open it. If you land on a project preview page, click Studio to launch the editor. Give it a moment to load. Bigger sessions can take a few seconds, especially the first time you open them. Inside Studio, look to the left and click Add Track. When the track type options appear, choose Virtual Instruments. BandLab will insert a new instrument track and open the instrument panel. You might see a default patch, such as Studio Grand. Click the instrument name to open the full instrument browser so you can change it. In the browser, switch to the Synths category. You'll see a range of synth sounds organized by style. Scroll through and select the synth you want. As soon as you click a preset, it loads onto your track and is ready to play. Here are a few quick tips to help you choose the right sound. Use the on-screen piano at the bottom to audition patches without recording, or play them from a connected MIDI keyboard if you have one. If you're using your computer keyboard, enable the typing keyboard option to tap in a quick melody and hear how the preset responds. Watch your track's level meter on the left. If it peaks into the red, lower the track volume to keep your mix clean and avoid distortion. Once your synth is selected, you're ready to create. The sound you picked will play back with any notes you draw in the MIDI editor or perform live. If you notice monitoring delay, close extra browser tabs and confirm your audio device is set correctly in the studio settings. When you're happy with your choice, keep building your arrangement and save often so your changes are stored. And that's it. You've opened your project, added a virtual instrument track, switched the instrument type to synths, and selected the exact synth you want to use in BandLab.